Hi, I'm Brendan, Head of Operations and Product Design here at PowerStation. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about our production facility in Auckland and the way we manufacture these Ultra version 3s. So the Ultra version 3 contains 89 different products from 4 countries in the world. We bring all of those products here. We assemble every unit in-house. We test every unit in-house. We have our own in-house firmware, research and development as well. Once your system is fully assembled, we send it down to the testing rig for QC testing. Once it's passed out of QC testing, it goes into the warehouse for picking and packing, ready for dispatch. So as you know, our PowerStation Ultra is built in New Zealand. It's R&D and developed in New Zealand, but it's also supported technically in New Zealand through local technicians who have designed the system, who have built the system, who know the system, so that when you need to have support, you can call through or email us and get the right response quickly.